Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag system in Obsidian. Tags are one of the most powerful organization tools available in Obsidian because they help you categorize notes, group related information, and quickly find content across your entire vault without relying solely on folders. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you keep your notes. We'll begin by enabling the built-in feature that helps you view and manage tags across all your notes. Look to the bottom left corner of the app and click the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, select Core Plugins from the sidebar. Scroll through the list until you find Tags View and make sure it's enabled. Once activated, Obsidian adds a dedicated Tags panel that allows you to see every tag used throughout your vault in one convenient location. The Tags view acts as a central hub for your tagging system. It displays all tags currently in use, shows how many times each tag appears, and allows you to click a tag to instantly locate related notes. This makes it much easier to navigate large collections of information. To make the feature even more convenient, you can assign a keyboard shortcut. While still in Settings, go to Hotkeys, search for Tags View, and assign a shortcut that feels comfortable for your workflow. Having quick access to your tags can save time when working with large vaults. Now let's start creating tags. Open any note where you'd like to add one. In Obsidian, tags are created directly within your note by typing the hash symbol followed by the tag name. For example, you might create tags such as #research, #meeting, #project, #ideas, or #todo. It's important to keep your tag names consistent. Avoid creating multiple versions of the same concept. For example, using both #meeting and #meetings can make your system less organized over time. Decide on a naming convention and stick with it whenever possible. When creating multi-word tags, avoid spaces because spaces break the tag. Instead, use hyphens, underscores, or hierarchical tags. For example, you could create #meeting-notes, #project_alpha, or #work/client-a. Hierarchical tags are especially useful because they allow you to group related tags under broader categories. One effective strategy is to create a small set of high-level tags and then expand them as needed. For example, you might have categories such as #work, #personal, #learning, and #projects, then create more specific tags underneath those categories. You can place tags anywhere within a note. Some users prefer putting them at the top beneath the title, while others add them at the bottom. You can also insert tags in line within paragraphs when discussing specific topics. Obsidian will recognize them regardless of their location. As you continue adding tags, open the Tags view periodically to see your system develop. You'll notice tag counts increasing as they are used throughout your notes. Clicking any tag instantly filters your vault and displays related content, making it easy to find information without searching through folders manually. Another useful tip is to review your tags occasionally. Over time, you may discover duplicate tags, outdated categories, or tags that are rarely used. Cleaning them up helps maintain a simple and efficient system that remains useful as your vault grows. Tags work especially well when combined with folders, links, and backlinks. While folders organize notes into physical locations, tags create flexible connections between notes that may belong to different folders but share similar topics. That's all you need to create an effective tag system in Obsidian. Enable Tags view, assign a keyboard shortcut if you'd like, create consistent tags using the hash symbol, and use the Tags panel to navigate your notes more efficiently. With a thoughtful tagging strategy, you'll build a cleaner, more searchable, and better organized Obsidian vault. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.